Hey guys, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing something that might be a little bit confusing. A lot of you guys may have seen the last video that I uploaded that is now on private for obvious reasons. If you watched it, the audio was absolutely terrible. I was trying to do the most and show you guys my new hair while, showing you guys the video that I uploaded, but nobody was able to focus on the actual content because the audio was so bad. So I decided we're just gonna go ahead and upload the original, even though my old hair is in it, and now I have to come on here and let you guys know because it's like a whole confusing thing. So we're past that. We're also adding in a giveaway. If you guys would like to enter, all you have to do is subscribe and let me know down below which of the products in the box is your favorite, and all of the information on like the end date, rules, all that stuff is going to be in the description box. And you guys, please be sure that you guys are alert and checking your email and everything within 24 hours because I will reply back to you and you will email me, but I only give you guys 24 hours to keep it fair, because if I wait like 3 days, that means other people could have won. It's a whole thing. So now let's get into the original video. Hey dolls, Yes here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Yesenia, also known as Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad that you're here. I have some really exciting news today, so please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get started. So, I've got some really exciting news for you guys today, and if you guys do hear a little like chicken chirp in the back, it's because my brother's actually rescued, it's like an actual egg, and the chick is in the egg, but it hasn't hatched yet. And they actually do this kind of often. They literally just rescued another little chick, and so it's in my house, it's in a box, they have like a heater to it, they've been taking care of it, it's literally still in the egg. So if you hear that, that's what's going on. My brothers are like animal rescuers, so that's what we've got going on. So just don't mind the chicken noise in the background. So I'm really excited to share this news with you guys because I've got a favorite box. Woo, woo, woo. We had to celebrate that. But I teamed up with Derma E and Ulta to bring you guys a favorites box, which is pretty much a box of all of my favorite products from Ulta. And you guys know how much I love Derma E. They are amazing. I really love them. And obviously we also love Ulta. So I worked really hard on like picking out the products that were gonna go into this box. I really tried to like get stuff that was like super me, that you guys probably have already seen me use on my channel or on my Instagram. So I guess let's just get into like the actual products that are going to go in the box. So it's going to come in a box like this that says Derma E on it, and it's got their cute little like logo. And let's open up the box. You guys, honestly, you guys have no idea how excited I am about these products because it's like products that I love, so you can just literally get a box of stuff that I just love. So it's absolutely amazing. I feel like it's almost like a good starter pack too, because there's a little bit of everything in here. There's like skincare, makeup, lashes, okay. So, okay, I feel like I'm giving you guys too much of a sneak peek and I just need to get into it. I don't think you are ready for this. I don't know if we're ready. I don't know. Are we ready? Are you ready, girl? I don't know. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, so you guys, I'm super excited about this product because I've been using this product for so long. I mean, would I be exaggerating if I said I've been using it for 10 years? Damn, I kind of feel old now. But if not 10 years, at least a good 7-8 years. For sure, since 2010, towards like the end of high school, I discovered this product and I was like, honey, I need to have this always and forever. It is the, drumroll please, Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. You guys, if you guys follow my Instagram and you guys follow my YouTube and you guys have watched my videos, you guys already know about this product. This is nothing new to you. This is actually a volumizing and texturizing powder. Okay, so another product that is in here that I absolutely love is the, another drum roll please, thank you so much. It is the Derma E Sun Kiss Alba Radiant Glow Face Oil. First off, I love to use it right before bed, really just kind of like drown my face in oil, because then in the morning I wake up super like moisturized and just looking like I woke up like this. And then I also have a little trick that I use because I learned it from Nonvo, which is amazing. She's a celebrity makeup artist and she works on Kylie all the time, and we did a class with her and she taught us this really cool trick where you pretty much like put a lot of oil on your face, then you blot it. You do this 3 times and then you apply your makeup. You guys, this is her secret to super really nice natural dewy makeup. And then also I love to, even though it is face oil, I like to do a little trick where I usually put it on my like décolleté and on my legs and pretty much everywhere. Here, let's go in and do it. And then this is how I like to prep myself for like highlight. So I'll either do it with like a lotion or an oil, but I do find that with an oil, it obviously is a little bit more shiny and more like hydrating. So see, we would go in right here, and it almost looks like you don't even really need highlight, but we are gonna do highlight because we're a little bit extra. And hold up a little bit because I have a little secret for that too in this box. So yeah, so I actually like to use this in a few different ways, and it is one of my favorites. And it smells amazing. It smells like spa. You guys know that I'm huge on smell, so it had to smell good, you guys. So I'm really glad that it does, and it just, I feel so nice and hydrated. Amazing. So next up we have a sheet mask, and you guys have for sure already seen this on my Instagram. I've done a lot of Instagram videos with their mask before because I absolutely love them. I've talked about the packaging. Instead of letting you wait, let me just show you real quick. It is the BioBell Beauty Scoop Mask. You guys have definitely heard me talk. You guys have definitely heard me talk about BioBell before. I absolutely love them. I've always talked about how freaking cute the packaging is. Like this one right here is. It has avocado and a facial mask with avocado and collagen. And the good thing about this is that it is free of GMOs, parabens, and gluten. So like I said before, you guys have definitely heard me talk about this stuff before. And yeah, we obviously had to include a sheet mask in here. Obs. Alright, so we've done a little bit of hair, a little bit of skincare. Now let's move on to a little bit of makeup. If you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know that I have like a kind of a rounder face. So we always have to do bronzer. Even if we don't do foundation, like I would rather not do foundation if I'm not gonna like contour or chisel my face, just because I kind of feel like a moon. It's a whole thing. So I obviously had to include a bronzer in here, and it's from one of my favorite brands, which is e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love them. You guys know that I love them. I talk about them all the time, and they're super affordable. They were one of the first brands that I was really able to like go out and like splurge and like buy a bunch of stuff and do like one of my first hauls on, because it was inexpensive, so I was able to afford it. So I just had to include this in here. It is a bronzer and blush duo, and this is in the shade Bronze Peach. This is actually one of my mom's favorite little palettes. She like travels with it. She has her little palette in her purse, and I like it because I can wear it and also she can wear it. She has a deeper complexion because it is buildable, so that's actually what I'm wearing right now. Like I said, you can build it on. I'm always using like bronzer, always have to contour my face, otherwise I feel like kind of a moon, so I had to include this in there. Alright, so this next product, I'm really excited about everything. So if I say I'm really excited about this, it's because I'm really excited about it. I've always talked about this, like it makes such a difference in a look. Like any look, like this would just take it to the, like, not even next level, I think like the next 5 levels, a full face and you guessed it, honey, eyelashes. So these right here are the Ardell Foam Mink Wispies. They are so freaking pretty, you guys. I really like this. I think this might be like my favorite Ardell style. I really like all of their other wispy lashes too, but I think this one definitely has to take like the most favorite. So I'm really excited that we were actually able to include this in here, because you can really either do it up with these lashes or just go with the more natural look, put them on, and they still look fabulous. So you guys have no idea how excited I am that we were able to get lashes in here, because everybody needs a pair of lashes in their life. You know what I mean? They truly are life-changing, and they really will take a look from like a 5 to a 19. 19. I said what I said. I know it's random. but you know what? From a 5 to a 19. So I'm really glad that we were able to get these in here, and yeah. All right, so we're going from skincare to hair to makeup, back to skincare with another one of my favorite products. You guys have absolutely heard me talk about it, and you guys have heard me talk about how much Michael loves this product. It is the Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub with activated charcoal. I absolutely love this, you guys. Michael and I both keep one in like our showers, and we use this all of the time. Anytime that I really feel like my face is a little bit like gross, it really needs some love, especially like in the nose area, I really like this because at the end it really leaves like a tingly, like very like minty fresh feeling. Like I kind of wish that I could like give you guys a sample from in the screen so you guys could try it out and see how amazing it is. I've been using it for like what, 2 years? Every time I talk about years, I realize that time is going by and it just makes me feel super old. But anyways, this is not about that. This is gonna make us feel young. So yeah, so it's really nice. I like using it in the shower. It just, thinking about the way that it makes me feel just make me like want to take this off and go do it. But this is gonna be included in their full-size bottle, so I'm really excited that you guys are gonna get to try this out. So you guys know how I always talk about me being a neutral girl and liking like my browns and my very like neutral earthy tones. So I obviously had to include something that represents that. And not only that, but you guys know, if you've ever seen my reviews here on YouTube, you guys know that if there's any palettes that only have shimmers or only have mattes, I'm like, girl, we need to have both. We need to switch it up. It's very hard for me to work all the time with just like only shimmers unless I'm going for like a precise look. So I had to include this palette right here. It is the Ardell Sensual Eyes eyeshadow palette. We have like my natural earthy tones, and we also have a mix of like matte and shimmer. And I was also going to show you guys a little trick. I actually like to use this shade right here as a highlight. Wait, am I doing it right? I don't really have a mirror here. Wait, silly me. I do have a mirror, but I don't want to show it to you just yet. So we're gonna go in here. Yes. Okay, so like it's a perfect like combination of like the oil and the highlight because we can really just like get in there. Hello. Yes, because you guys know that I love me some highlights. So this is like super travel friendly because you can obviously use it as your eyeshadow palette, but you can also use it as a as an illuminator. So okay, we went, and it's small. So everybody wins here. Okay. All right. So last and most definitely not least, we have got a cute little Derma E mirror. And this would have came in handy like 2 minutes ago, but I didn't want to spoil the surprise. So it's a really cute mirror that looks like this right here. And it's got little flowers. It's super like spring and nice, and flowers and spring and summery. And wow, I feel like it kind of like goes with me right now with like the shape of my shirt. But while I'm looking at this, you guys, this is kind of also like the perfect like travel essentials. Like I genuinely travel with all of these things. It's all like super necessary. So, I mean, my favorites box, Travels Essentials brought to you by Yesenia, Derma E, and Ulta. I don't know, could be. But I'm really excited that we were also able to get a mirror in here because now I genuinely feel like this can be like a Travels Essentials. So you could just put all this stuff in a cute little baggie and you're off to go, girl. All right, guys, so these are pretty much all of the products that are going to be included in my favorites box. And I feel like this is my little baby. I'm honestly really proud of all the stuff that we came up with. And I'm so grateful to Derma E and Ulta for the opportunity to make this box. And I also want to let you guys know that 100% of the proceeds are going to go to the nonprofit organization Keep America Beautiful, which focuses on keeping America beautiful. They focus on cleaning up the environment, you know, keeping our communities clean, ending littering and all that stuff. So I'm really excited that we were able to partner up with somebody who's really going to help our planet Earth. This is a home that we live in, and I really encourage you guys to recycle. If you guys see trash out on the floor and you can pick it up, please do so, because this is where our kids of our kids of our kids are going to live. So let's focus on keeping America beautiful. So yeah, thanks so much again to Derma E and Ulta. Thank you guys for giving me the platform to be able to do stuff like this. I honestly appreciate it so much. Price points, website, everything where they're going to be available is going to be listed down below. I know for sure it's going to be available at dermae.com. So dates, All of that stuff is going to be listed down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm honestly so excited. I'm so proud of the box that I created. And again, thank you guys so much for the opportunity to create this box and the platform that I have. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys very soon.